हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। So today I'm gonna react on a K-pop group called Longshot. I already reacted on their other songs, so if you want to watch my reaction on their other songs, please see my other videos. And I love Longshot. I'm always rooting for them. So this is a visualizer of the song Never Let Go. Let's get into the video without wasting any time. Okay. I always say like in Saucing, Moonwalking, and their other songs, like this is so different. Their concept is literally changing with every video. Like this is so different. And I love their vocals. Like Woojin and Lewis are my favorite vocalists in this group. Oh. This is simple, like it's kind of they're shooting and making this visualizer. It's kind of, compilation of their movements while making the video kind of thing. And I love Oyul pronunciations, like his pronunciation whenever he's singing and thing is so good. My baby Louis, like no matter how much I praise him, like it's never enough. For me, Louis is literally like, always make me remember when Justin Bieber was in his youth. So I'm literally obsessed with his vocals. I'm loving this video of theirs. This video is kind of very different from their, other songs videos. Like it's directed so well and at different same time. I always say this whenever I see Longshot, like J Park is literally doing so much with this group, like experimenting and everything is coming great. It's kind of a documentary, if you ask me. But I never go, never let go. Oh, long shot. Like these four are literally babies. It's kind of, they are into recording studio and they shooted it and now they are making it as a compilation of this video. And I'm loving, this simple yet so, visualizing vibe of this visual. How much hard work, as a K-pop artist, everybody have to do to debut, and then they still have to work so hard to, engage their fans. I literally hope, like, Longshot go literally over like the top and literally bloom more. Like they literally have the talent, the visuals, and the capacity to try different styles. Of course, we are never letting go. And J-Park is literally giving a lot of content to them. Like the whole company, More Vision, is handling them good. Like I think this is the whole song, and I loved it. Never Let Go. The vocals, the whole video vibe was so different. Like I loved it. It was kind of my kind of vibe. Like I always say, like their all other three songs I reacted on was so different in their own genre and in their own capacity, and this is very different. Like it was kind of a documentary vibe. They were dancing in the studio, the normal kind of vibe, like the time they're spending with each other and doing the content and doing the music and everything. I loved it. Like I have to say, J Park, man, you literally find a treasure with this group. Like long shot, the vocals, the whole concept. Like first of all, I don't think so they have a fixed concept because they're literally good with vocals, they're good with rapping, their dancing was good, their visualizing of videos are very different from one another. It's not like they're sticking with one concept, or is I am wrong? Like are they sticking? Because I don't think so. In all four songs I reacted on, I didn't find similarities other than them being the best and best of whatever they are doing. So I loved it, and I hope you loved my reaction, and I hope we will soon get the fandom name for Longshot, because I do want to include myself into the fandom. I'm already into the fandom, but I want to call myself with the fandom name because I'm literally day by day standing them, loving the group. So I hope you love the reaction. Please subscribe to the channel so I can know you liking the content. Recommend me anything into the comment section. I can react and do whatever you want to do here. And like the video, and please share the video to the people who love reaction channels. Bye bye baby. I love you all.